Hello, in this video I want to show you how to flash BIOS in Gigabyte B660 motherboard. To do this, first make sure that you've disconnected all of the things like a keyboard or a mice or anything else that you don't need. You can actually keep the display because otherwise the flash won't work for some reason. So if you're struggling with it, check if it works when you disconnect that keyboard and mouse. Then you will need to copy the BIOS files on your pen drive, and you can find those files on their official website with the support page for that motherboard. Then we can plug in our pen drive. Now power on your PC and wait a few moments. After it's powered on, you can find the flash, Q-flash right here, and that's the button that you need to press. So click on that button when your PC starts, and after give it a few minutes, maybe like even, I don't know, 30 seconds, and then press on this button and the flashing should begin. When it's finished, your PC should automatically power off to inform you that it's done. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.